How to edit TikTok drafts. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit TikTok draft. So it's so easy, so keep watching until the end. Click on TikTok, click on profile. Now this is my draft. Click on the video and click on the video. So for example, this is my video. I want to edit this video. All I need to do is like if I want to edit music, click on sound, and if you want to like add the text, click on text and click on whatever you want. Done. Click on the text to speech, and this is it.
Link.
Okay, and as we want to adjust clips, filter, anything you want, just now click next and click on post. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.